Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a few questions about the phone app or phone link app in Windows, and what it can do or not, depending on you're using an iPhone or you're using an Android phone, and there are differences. Keep in mind that the Android side is much more advanced and integrated because Android is the Windows equivalent. It is a operating system that can actually give pretty much all permissions to do for an app to do what it wants. So definitely the Android side is better for the use of the phone link, but you still can do a lot of things. One of them is about making calls, receiving text messages, things like that. You can do that in both versions. So if you have an iPhone, you got a Windows PC, you can link with the phone link app. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and paired to your computer, and you'll be able to make calls. You'll be able to receive calls, send text messages. Now, there are limits compared to Android on certain things. For example, text messages. You have limited abilities for sending media, for example, pictures or videos. Also, in Android, you can actually run apps from your phone on your computer, which is something you cannot do on the iPhone, for example. But for the basic functionalities that are important for people, text and maybe calls, that works fine on both versions. It's just that the media and apps and things like that have better reach on Android with the phone link app. But in all, if you want to use your iPhone to do calls through your PC or receive calls, there's no problem there. Once again, you got to link using your Bluetooth, and that will give you the ability to actually make these calls and send text messages without even picking up your iPhone. So just keep in mind that if you want to do more, run apps, even play around with media, copy or paste images or videos and things like that, that is almost only Android capabilities. With iPhone being kind of locked down, it doesn't have all permissions for the app. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.